Welcome sa sip9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series on calculus, no? And kung pinapanood niyo yung mga previous videos, makikita niyo na pinag-uusapan natin ay about continuity of a function at a number, no? So, pinag-aaralan na natin yung graphical meaning ng continuity tsaka discontinuity, and may mga several examples na tayo from the previous videos, no? So, kung first time nyo pinapanood tong video na to, no, and ito yung unang nyo napanood, I suggest na mag-start kayo sa previous 3 videos, no? Yung may tatlong videos na nauna dito, so I strongly suggest na yun ang mga panoorin nyo muna, no? Kasi dito medyo abstract na ito. So, yung pag-uusapan natin dito sa video na to, paano ba gamitin yung definition ng function, no? Ang definition ng continuity para malaman if a function is continuous or if a specific function is continuous at a particular point, no? So, for example, dito sa unang problem natin, no? We have to determine if the function is continuous at x equals 2. Now, pag may graph tayo, madali lang, no? Kasi pag nakita mo na hindi magkadugtong or merong point na merong part na may blank, no? Then alam natin na hindi siya continuous. But here, kung wala kang time mag-graph at pinapasolve lang sa'yo to without graphing, then dapat alam natin gamitin yung definition, no? So, basahin lang muna natin yung definition. The function f is said to be continuous at the number c, or at the number c if and only if the 3 conditions are satisfied. 1. F of c exists. Number 2. The limit of f of x as x approaches c exists. The limit of f of x equals f of c. The limit of f of x as x approaches c is equal to f of c. So, itong mga ito, dapat masatisfy ang tatlong yan, no? Para masabi natin na continuous yung function at x equals c, no? Okay, so ito yung specific example. Gagamitin natin to see if this, without graphing muna, no? Although na mamaya titignan natin yung graph. But we have to use this definition to see if this function is continuous without graphing first, no? So, ano ang unang condition natin? 1. Does f of c exist? Ano ba yung c natin dito? Here, c is equal to 2. Ibig sabihin yung x natin, f of c. Yung input natin is c. That is our x value. F of 2 exists. So, magtatanong tayo, nag-exist ba yung f of 2? Ano ibig sabihin ng f of 2? The value of the function at x equals 2. Dito, saan ba yung x equals to? Ito, di ba? So, this is a piecewise function. Pag x equals to, ito yung value niya. So, meron tayong value. It exists, no? Yes. So, ang sagot natin dito is yes. In fact, f of 2 equals 4. By the way, kung hindi kayo familiar dito sa piecewise function, no? Ang tawag pala dito is piecewise function. Meron tayong series on piecewise function. So, hanapin nyo na lang sa siplayan. Ang series na yun, tinuturo ko kung paano basahin yung ganitong klase ng function at kung paano ba siya i-graph, no? So, siguro kung hindi kayo familiar, aralin nyo muna yan bago kayo mag-proceed sa video na to. Okay, so assuming na alam nyo, we have number 2. Ano yung condition natin sa number? Second condition natin. The limit of f of x exists as x approaches c, no? Or the limit of f of x as x approaches c exists. Yun ang tamang basa, yung pangalawa. Ano ang f of x natin dito? So, f of x equals ganito, no? So, dalawang expression or alin yung gagamitin natin, no? Ano nga ulit yung konsepto ng limits? We are talking about the numbers. If we are talking about the limit of f of x as x approaches c, we are talking about the numbers that are very close to c. But we are not talking about the number c itself, no? We are not talking about c, no? So, hindi natin pinag-uusapan yung x equals 2. Pinag-uusapan natin numbers that are close to 2. So, dito sa dalawang to, alin ang hindi siya equals to? Ito, di ba? Not equal to means numbers, pwede ma-include dito yung numbers that are close to 2, such as the numbers at the left of 2 and the right of 2. No? So, kung 2 yan, huwag natin pakialaman yung 2. Ang pakialaman natin lahat ng numbers. And since we are talking about the limit, we are talking about the numbers that are very close to 2. So, mga 1.9, 1.999, o kaya 2.1, 2.01, 2.001. Ito yung mga pinag-uusapan natin kasi limit na pinag-uusapan natin. No? And for the limit to exist, the right-hand limit must equal the left-hand limit. No? So, dito, since ang 2x minus 1 ay polynomial function, pareho naman yung limit niyan, left-hand at right-hand limit, no? So, okay, pwede natin i-check isa-isa, no? So, the limit of, anyway, pinag-aralan na natin. So, the limit of 2x minus 1 as x approaches 2, no, is equal to 2 times 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So, yes, the limit exists. And in fact, the limit is equal to 3. Okay? So, ang third condition, the limit of f of x as x approaches c, ito yun, di ba? Ito yung 3, must be equal to f of c. Must be equal to f of 2. Ano ang f of 2 natin? 4. Is 4 equal to 3? No. No? So, nag-fail siya dito sa third condition. The limit of f of 2 as x, the limit of f of x, or the limit of 2x minus 1, palitan na natin ng actual function, of 2x minus 1 as x approaches 2 is not equal to f of 2. Kasi ito, ang value nito ay 4, ang value nito ay 3. So, definitely 3 is not equal to 4. So, dito siya nag-fail. No? So, nakita nyo, hindi tayo nag-graph, but we checked every condition and see if this function is satisfied. Or, we check if the conditions, these three conditions are satisfied. And we discovered na dalawa lang yung nasa-satisfy, yung isa hindi. Therefore, the function is not continuous at x equals 2. Or kaya pwede rin natin sabihin, the function is discontinuous. Discontinuous at x equals 2. Okay? So, siguro silipin natin yung graph para alam natin kung ano nangyari. So, pareho sila ng left-hand at right-hand limit, di ba? The limit actually is equal to 3. Katulad dito. Sana natin. Ito yung 3. The limit is equal to 3. Pero ang f of 3 mo, no? the value of f at 2 is not equal to 3, but rather 4. So f of 2 is not equal to the limit of 2x minus 1 as x approaches 2, which is 3 here. Ngayon, pag nandito yan, pag lipat mo yan dito, magiging continuous na yung function. By the way, ang tawag natin sa function na to ay removable. Removable discontinuity. So, discontinuous siya at x equals 2, pero removable siya. Ibig sabihin, pwede kong gawing continuous siya by doing something very defining ito, no? Pag nagre-define ako dito ng if x equals 2 equals 3, pag pinalitan ko itong 3, mangyayari, bababa itong point na to, magiging continuous na siya. Kasi tinatawag na removable kasi pwede mong i-remove yung continuity by redefining some of the yung iba mong functions, no? Okay? So, hindi siya na-satisfy, therefore, discontinuous siya. Okay, so sana meron kayong natutunan sa video na to, no? Magkakaroon pa tayo ng several examples. Huwag kayong mag-alala, no? Huwag kayong matakot sa piecewise function. Again, pwede yung panoorin yung series natin. Pero syempre, hindi naman natin ibibigay or hindi naman lahat ng bibigay natin example ay piecewise, no? Pero dapat familiar kayo dyan kasi usually binibigay naman talaga sa mga exams. Okay, so gusto ko invite sa zip9.com yung ating website. And of course, if you're watching this on YouTube, pwede nyong i-click yung subscribe button para kayo makapag-subscribe. No? So, every time na kung kayo ay nakasubscribe sa atin, sa Zip9, every time na may bago akong in-upload na video ay may inform kayo via email. You know? So, alam nyo kung may bago. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.